how to turn off all notifications on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable notifications on your Imo. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and now you have settings. Click there. You have notifications, which is the first option. Tap there. Now you have messages, big groups, calls, voice club, people who added you, stories, and public service and events. You can turn off or on these options whatever you want. So now, for example, let's click on messages. Now you can turn off this option. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.